Hello everyone, welcome to Learnix Center. Again, we are helping people from non-IT background to transition to IT. And a lot of people are asking us, what should I do? Should I choose manual testing? Should I choose automation testing? What is the best? Well, people of different backgrounds and different qualifications are coming to us. We provide individual attention to each of you, and that's why we have small groups of students, and that's why our instructors offer free lesson and free presentation and free consultation, if you will, to each student who is interested. You may have different background and different educational level, and we have programs that are tailored to each individual. In other words, we do have programs that are tailored for people who had zero experience in IT, and they will go into the manual testing, and later on, once they are ready, they will transition into automation testing. We have more advanced courses for that, as well as for people who never had experience in software testing or IT. We also have different professional development paths, and they can go into those courses and learn initially manual testing, and then once they are ready, they can learn automation testing, Python, Java, SQL, and everything else. So talk to us, contact us via telephone, Instagram, our website, and we'll be happy to schedule you for a free consultation, and we'll sit down with you and decide what is the best way for you. And you can choose the programs that you like, and you would be able to see what's important. And once again, our groups are very small. We provide individual attention to everyone, and once you graduate, we continue to talk to you. As a matter of fact, our graduates are coming to us all the time to share their successes as well as to share their problems, and we help them to solve those problems. So basically, we never give up, and our students never give up, and that's why they are successful. So once again, contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.